Welcome back to Motor Empire 007. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 300, a bike that has redefined the entry-level sport motorcycle experience and is now stepping into the future with unmatched style, performance, and technology. From the moment you lay eyes on this bike, it's clear that Kawasaki has poured every bit of their racing DNA into its design, engineering, and performance. The Ninja 300 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement, a promise of thrill, and an invitation to ride like never before. At first glance, the 2026 Ninja 300's aggressive design immediately grabs attention. Kawasaki's signature sharp lines, aerodynamic fairings, and muscular stance make it look ready to leap off the platform. The carefully sculpted fuel tank, sleek side panels, and sporty tail section give it a compact yet powerful presence. Every curve and edge is purposefully designed to cut through air efficiently while giving the rider an unmistakable feeling of speed, even when standing still. The lighting is all LED, from the dual headlights that give it a predatory look at night to the taillights that make sure you're noticed on the road. The futuristic accents combined with classic Kawasaki green or your choice of vibrant colors give it a showroom-ready aura that feels like it belongs on a stage at a major motor expo. The platform display, glossy finish, and the way the Kawasaki logo and Ninja 300 name are elegantly etched on the wall behind the bike create an atmosphere of luxury. This isn't just a bike, it's a centerpiece that commands attention. You can imagine walking into a showroom and instantly being drawn to it, your eyes tracing every line, your fingers itching to touch the sleek fairings, and your mind racing ahead to imagining the roar of the engine under you. It's that kind of design that doesn't just please the eyes, but sparks a passion for riding in every viewer. But let's dive deeper, because the Ninja 300 isn't just about looks, it's about the ride. Kawasaki has upgraded the engine to a refined, liquid-cooled parallel twin designed for optimal balance between performance and efficiency. This bike delivers enough power to thrill beginners and intermediate riders alike, while maintaining smooth, predictable handling that instills confidence on every twist and turn. The acceleration is crisp, responsive, and surprisingly agile, making city traffic feel like your personal playground and open highways a chance to feel the wind racing past you. Whether you're carving through curves or enjoying a long stretch of straight asphalt, this bike feels alive beneath you, communicating every vibration, every shift, every ounce of power in perfect harmony. The ergonomics have also been carefully considered. The seating position strikes a perfect balance between sporty and comfortable, ensuring long rides are enjoyable without sacrificing control. The handlebar placement, foot pegs, and seat cushioning work together to give riders a natural posture, reducing fatigue while maximizing maneuverability. You're not just riding a machine, you're becoming one with it, feeling every nuance of the road with precision and confidence. The adjustable suspension system smooths out rough patches while maintaining the sporty feel, allowing for a seamless ride across city streets, winding country roads, or even light track use. Technology plays a big part in the 2026 Ninja 300 experience. The fully digital LCD instrument panel provides all the essential information at a glance. Speed, RPM, gear position, fuel efficiency, and even riding modes are displayed in an intuitive layout that is easy to read whether you're cruising at low speeds or pushing the bike to its limits. Advanced braking systems, including dual front disc brakes with ABS, ensure that safety is never compromised, even when the adrenaline is at its peak. Kawasaki has clearly focused on making the Ninja 300 not just exhilarating, but exceptionally safe, giving riders peace of mind without dulling the thrill. One of the standout aspects of this bike is its versatility. While it's undoubtedly a sport-oriented machine, it doesn't demand a professional rider to unlock its potential. The Ninja 300 adapts to your style, whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an experienced rider looking for a lightweight, responsive companion for daily commutes or weekend adventures. Its compact size makes it incredibly agile, slipping through traffic, weaving around corners, and parking effortlessly. Yet, despite its nimbleness, it has a presence on the road that makes other vehicles take notice. It's a bike that grows with you, always ready for the next challenge. Another exciting factor is the color options. Kawasaki has gone beyond traditional choices, offering combinations like green and black, matte black and silver, red and black, blue and white, orange and black, yellow and black, white and black, purple and black, silver and blue, and matte gray with neon green accents. Each combination transforms the character of the bike, from aggressive and racing-ready to bold and expressive, giving riders the opportunity to choose a style that matches their personality. The paint finishes are glossy or matte depending on the color scheme, and reflect showroom lights in a way that makes the Ninja 300 look alive, even when stationary. Let's talk about practicality. The Ninja 300 may be a sport bike, but it's designed for everyday usability. Its fuel tank capacity ensures long rides without frequent stops, and Kawasaki's engineering ensures reliable fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to a well-thought-out design that makes servicing accessible. This is a bike that you can enjoy every day, not just on weekends, blending excitement and practicality in one compact package. When it comes to tires and wheels, Kawasaki hasn't cut corners. The Ninja 300 rides on high-grip tires paired with lightweight alloy wheels that offer both stability and agility. Whether leaning into corners or braking hard, the tires communicate with the rider and maintain traction, boosting confidence in all conditions. The exhaust system is tuned to give a satisfying roar without being overly loud, adding to the sensory experience of riding while respecting noise limits. The experience of riding the 2026 Ninja 300 is immersive. Every sense is engaged: the sight of its sharp design, the sound of its powerful engine, the feel of its responsive controls, and even the subtle scent of high-quality materials in the seat and grips. Kawasaki has built more than a bike. They've created a ride that sparks a connection, one where you don't just control it, you feel it responding to your intentions, anticipating your movements, and rewarding your skill. For anyone considering a first sport bike or looking to upgrade from smaller machines, the Ninja 300 offers a unique blend of style, performance, and reliability. It's approachable enough to learn on, but capable enough to challenge and excite even seasoned riders. Its futuristic showroom-ready look and versatile riding capability make it a true competitor in its segment, standing out in a market crowded with mediocrity. In conclusion, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 300 is more than just a motorcycle. It's an invitation to experience speed, style, and innovation in a single package. From its aggressive design and customizable color schemes to its advanced engine, safety features, and immersive ride experience, every aspect of this bike is designed to thrill, inspire, and perform. Whether you're a new rider stepping into the world of sport bikes or a seasoned enthusiast seeking a nimble, reliable companion, the Ninja 300 promises to elevate every journey. It's a bike that commands attention in a showroom, dominates corners on the road, and becomes a trusted partner for every ride. Kawasaki has truly crafted a machine that embodies the spirit of adventure, the joy of riding, and the pursuit of perfection. So, if you've been waiting for the perfect blend of performance, style, and technology in an entry-level sport bike, the 2026 Ninja 300 is ready to take you there. Step closer, feel the bike under your hands, imagine the roar of the engine, and get ready to experience the ride of a lifetime. This is not just a motorcycle, it's the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 300, and it's waiting for you to unleash its full potential.